welcome back to Real Life Daddy Lessons. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Welcome to my channel once again. And today's lesson, let's get right into it. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please take a look at my videos that I have already posted. My channel, I'm dedicated to teaching you how to speak Dari fluently. All right, today we're going to learn 1 to 20. The numbers 1 to 20, and it's quite easy. I have spelled it out in English down below for you, so you are able to pronounce it out. All right, the first one, number 1, yak, yak, yak. Number 2, do, do, do. Number 3, say, say, say. Yak, do, say. Number 3, say. Number 4, char, char, char. Yak, do, say, char, char. Number 5, pange, pange, pange. Yak, do, say, char, pange. Okay? Number 6, shash, shash. Yak, do, say, char, pange, shash. Say it with me. Ready? Yak, do, say, char, pange, shash. Okay, we made it to 6. Number 7, aft, aft. Yak, do, say, char, pange, shash, aft, aft. 7. Number 8, asht, asht. Yak, do, say, char, pange, shash, aft, asht, asht. 8. All right? Number 9, no. That's quite easy. No, no. Okay? Number 9, no. Yak, do, say, char, pange, shash, aft, asht, no, which is number 9. Number 10, da, da. Number 10, da. Ready? Yak, do, say it with me. Yak, do, say, char, pange, shash, haft, asht, no, da. Yay! All right, guys, you did it. I hope you're saying it with me. Say it with me. All right, let's do it a little faster. Yak, do, say, char, pange, shash, aft, asht, no, da. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yak, do, say, char, pange, shash, aft, asht, no, da. I don't expect you to say it that fast at all, but practice, practice makes perfect. All right? So that's 1 to 10. Let's go and try 11 to 20. Ready? Yazda, yazda, yazda. Sorry, I'm getting distracted there. Yazda. Okay. Dwazda. 12. 12. Dwazda. Dwazda. 13. Sezda. Sezda. Can you hear the 3 in there? Say. Remember the 3 was say? 13 is sezda. So there's a connection. Just like 3 and 13, right? Similar to that. Say is 3. Sezda is 13. Sezda. All right? And let me guess. I don't know if you guys can guess this. If you have already guessed it, good for you. That's amazing. Charda, 14. Charda. Charda. Charda, 14. Charda. So 4. Do you remember how to say 4? Char. 14. Charda. There's a da. So there's a da at the end of it. Charda. 14. 15.
15. 15.
Remember what was 5? 5 was pange. And pon 15 is
15.
5 was pange. 15.
15.
Pange.
15.
Do you see the similarities in sound? Okay.
16.
16.
16.
16.
16.
Do you remember what 6 was? Shash. 6 is shash. 16 is?
16.
All right, next one. 17.
Hafta. Hafta. Hafta.
17. Ajda. 18. How do you say 18? Ajda. 18. 18. Ajda. Nuzda, which is 19. 19. Nuzda. 19. Nuzda. All right, and last one. 20. Beast. 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 And yes, I've literally spelled it like the word beast. Beast. Like Beauty and the Beast. 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 20. All right. So let's go from 11 to 20. Excuse me. 11, 12, 13, 14,
15. 16. Hafta.
18, 19, beast. Okay, so let's conclude this lesson and do 1 to 20. And of course, I will teach you guys more, but for this lesson, we're going to break it down to 1 to 20 to make it easier for you to remember and go step by step. That's the key to learning Dari. All right, let's go from 1 to 20. Ready? Say it with me, guys. Say it with me. Yak, do, say, char, panj, shash, haft, asht, no, da, yazda, dwazda, sezda, chorda,
15. 16. Hafta.
ajda, nuzda, beast. All right.
An easy way for you to remember 1 to 20 as well is to remember that at the end of each number, you will insert da, D-A, and that will change it. As soon as you reach 10, which is da, no is 9, da is 10. After that, it's yozda, dozda, sezda. You insert da at the end of each number.
You guys did it! Yay! Pat on the back! Pat on the back! Pat on the back! Aferin, which means good for you. Aferin. Good for you. All right, guys. So that is 1 to 20. Next time, of course, I'll have more lessons on numbers. Right now, it's important to learn 1 to 20. Let's focus. You can even break that down and learn from 1 to 10 and then 10 to 20 or 11 to 20. All right. That concludes our lesson for today. Khadafis, and I'll have more lessons for you guys next time.